Imagine you know literally nothing about making money online and you get sick of your job, so what's the first thing that you do? You just sit down behind your laptop and the first thing that you do is go to this brand new AI tool that you have heard about being talked everywhere, even on the streets, on the posters on the streets, and you are going to ask it to tell you how to make money online in 2023. You hit enter and you see ChatGPT is going to give you so many options how to start making money online in 2023, and you literally get overwhelmed right off the bat without knowing where to start, what to do, how to actually make your first dollar. So you will have some solid proof that it's actually something that works, and after reading this entire paragraph you just decide to quit and go back to your job the next day. But if you are watching this video, you are in luck, because I'm going to give you a short introduction to affiliate marketing, which is one of the topics that ChatGPT is talking about on how to make money online in 2023, and it's literally going to take you just like 10 minutes to set up, and it's going to be making money for you on complete autopilot. So just make sure to hit the like button under this video, subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for more money making content, comment down below something for the YouTube algorithm, and now just let's get started. So if you're going to check out this article generated by ChatGPT, you can see right here that affiliate marketing is promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for each sale or lead generated through your referral. What this pretty much means is that with affiliate marketing, you don't even have to have your own product that you are going to be selling, because all you need to do to make money with affiliate marketing is just to have something that you can promote and then just find the right people that are willing to buy it and make that connection, and that's how you get paid. So to get something that you can promote, what you want to do, if you are a complete beginner, I highly recommend that you go to clickbank.com, which is one of the easiest to navigate platforms for complete beginners, and you want to grab yourself an account. Once you do that, you want to log right into it. Once you log into your account, what you want to do is navigate to the affiliate marketplace, and right here you can see all of these niches that you can choose from, and all of these are going to contain multiple affiliate offers that you can choose to promote. But what I would highly recommend is that you go for one of the top performing niches, which are health, wealth and relationships, because these are the top 3 performing niches everywhere on the internet. You will have very easy time promoting offers from one of these. So what you want to do to start getting your first sales on ClickBank with affiliate marketing is go for one of these niches. For example, in health and fitness section, you can grab yourself any weight loss offer and you will have very easy time promoting it, because you can see most of these are having incredible amount of this gravity score, which is like an indicator of how well this offer is selling. So the higher the gravity score, the easier time you will have to get sales with it. Then if you're going to go to this self-help section, you can see right here that you can find many of these dating and relationships themed offers, which are also selling pretty good, because people are always trying to improve their dating and relationship skills, and as you can see, these are selling pretty good too. Then there's the last section, which is finance, and pretty much for that you can go into this e-business and e-marketing section, and if you're going to help people improve their situation financially, which means pretty much offering them a way how to make more money, for example with one of these online paying jobs. So let's go for example with this get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube offer, which is going to be paying you on average around $21.75 for each conversion, and with a gravity score of 230 it's going to be selling very well. So what you want to do to start promoting this offer is just pretty much click on this promote button, and you need to grab yourself an affiliate link. For that, you need to type in your ClickBank nickname and then just click on create a hop link, and you will get your very own affiliate link down here, which is pretty much like a unique URL which is going to take people to the sales page, for example like this, and every time somebody is going to make a purchase of this product, you are going to get paid. Now when it comes to successfully promoting your affiliate links, you need to always take note of what niche of product you are promoting, and because we are going with this get used to paid Facebook, Twitter and YouTube offer, which is pretty much offering a paid job, online paying job to whoever's going to come to this sales page, you will have the easiest ways to get sales with this product by promoting it to people who are looking for a job. So if you are going to be following this video through and you are going with this exact affiliate offer, what you want to do is go to Google and you want to search for classified ads. Search for that and you want to go to this very first website right here that's called classifiedads.com, and as you can see right here, this is like a advertisement board where you can post ads for anything and everything, and as a part of this board you can see this jobs section. So pretty much people who are going to be looking for a job are very likely to come to this website, and if I'm going to check it out using this similar web extension, you can see right here that this website is getting over 630,000 monthly visitors, so literally over 500,000 people come here every single month, and a good chunk of this is going to be looking for a job. And as you can see right here that the most of the people coming to this site are from United States, so you can be sure of that you are going to get top quality traffic to your affiliate offer. So to start promoting on classified ads, what you want to do is pretty much just go to this section where it says post ad for free, click on it, and you want to fill in this ad application. First of all, start with category where you have to select jobs because we are going to be promoting a job offer. Then just go to this subcategory and you want to select marketing jobs because you are going to be pretty much promoting an offer. Once you do that, you need to fill in a city or a zip code of a city in the United States that you want this offer to be valid for. And for that, you want to go to this website right here that's called bestrandoms.com, and it's going to give you a bunch of addresses and all the tools necessary to post an ad on classified ads. And all you have to do is just go ahead and select your state. For example, let's go with Florida. Okay, scroll down here and you want to leave this city empty. Okay, it's going to suggest a city for you, so you can leave it empty just as the zip code field right here. And all you need to do is just click on generate, and it's going to give you a bunch of these Florida addresses that you can choose from. So pretty much let's go with this one right here. For example, I'm just going to copy this zip code right here, go back to classified ads, post it to this location, and once you do that, you need to fill in all these remaining fields to post this ad. Now you don't have to go ahead and write anything from your own head. What you can do is pretty much just go back to ClickBank and you want to go to this affiliate page of the product, and right here you can find all the tools that you may need to successfully promote this affiliate offer. Now for this exact same strategy that I'm going to show you, what you want to do is go to this short ads section, just click on that, and as you can see right here, you get these short ads that you can copy and paste. So just click right here and it's going to show you all of these ads that you can choose from. Just go ahead and scroll through all of these and pick one that you like the most. And for example, let's go with this $50 per Instagram post. So I'm just going to copy that and paste it into this title, just like that. In this compensation field, you want to write in text, just like that. Then just go back to the affiliate page and you want to copy the remaining of the short ad and paste it as a body of the ad, just like that. Then what you want to do is go back to ClickBank and you want to copy your affiliate link one more time. And if you're going to take a look at this, it looks like this weird alphabet of letters and numbers, and it's not going to look very well on the ad board. So what I'm going to do is just copy it and then go to bit.ly, which is like my #1 link shortener. Just go to bit.ly, and what you want to do here is shorten this affiliate link. Just click on create new link and you want to paste your affiliate link into this destination field, just like that. And what you can also do, and I highly recommend that you do, is go to this custom back half section and you type in there something that you want to link your look like. So for example, I'm going with something like get paid to use Instagram, then just click on create, and my shortened affiliate link is going to get created. So I'm just going to copy it, go back to classified ads and type in there something like, for more details, please fill in a short survey on our website, and then just paste your shortened affiliate link. This is pretty much all you need to do to post short ad on this website. Then just go ahead and fill in a bunch of these remaining information, and as you can see right here, one of the fields that you need to fill in is a phone number. Now we don't want to be posting your own phone number in here. Instead of that, just go to Best Randoms and you can see right here that this website is going to provide a number for you that you can use with this method. So just go ahead and copy it and paste it into this phone field. Then in this expire in, you want to select 9 months or the highest amount of months possible, because that way this ad is going to stay on this website for the next 9 months and it will be making you money on complete autopilot for almost the next year. So once you do that, just go ahead and click on post this ad and it's going to go live. It's going to start bringing traffic to your affiliate link, and every time somebody is going to click on this link, they will be taken to the sales page, fill in this short application survey, and once they are going to sign up for a premium of these online paying jobs, you're going to get paid your commission. So if you are a complete beginner, this is one of the easiest ways to start making money online with affiliate marketing in 2023 with zero skills, with zero investment, using just your laptop. Now if you want to take affiliate marketing to the next level and you want to learn the exact same method that I'm using myself to generate over $7,000 per month without showing my face anywhere on the internet, without using any of my social media or this YouTube channel, and still getting results just like these, just check out the first link in the video description and I hope to see you there. Now for the next video chosen for you by the YouTube algorithm, check out this one right here and I'm going to see you in there.